back in town. I see you better now. I'm hoping you better.
What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Water. Yo, today I didn't wake up in such a good mood, but I'm gonna try to make the best of my day. Today was the worst day that it possibly could have been for the new year. It started to snow very, very, very bad. I didn't go to work today. I didn't go to work. I left my window open last night. Oh God, not again. Well, I get really hot. Inside this house, they leave the heater on for so long. They put it on full blast. My dad's outside right now. Snow blowing, whatever this shit is. So I'm just gonna go help him. I'm not gonna stay home and do nothing. So y'all just gonna come along with me and see how it is in New York today. Today is January 4th. It snowed really, really bad. It's like all over the news.
What's your plan for the rest of the day?
Netflix and chill, baby.
Let's just go help with my pops. Let's go help him out. Today, I am not ready for the party. Let's go. Y'all ready for this? How it looks over here in the Bronx right now? Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Let's do it. Oh my God. Oh, my poor car. Oh my God, my poor car. I'm sorry for just leaving you like this. I'm sorry. Oh my God. This forecast, stay at home. Look at this. Like, my dad made a big ass wall. You know what's crazy though? Because my dad definitely snow blowed through this and he had to walk. And I don't see his footprints. The snow covered it already. Look how crazy it is over here, guys. Jesus. Look at my dad right here. Horrible. Woo!
Yeah.
Can you tell the people that are watching this video how bad it is today?
It's not bad, it's terrible.
What?
Look at this.
So,
Oh my God!
oh,
Look how deep this snow is right here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, all the snow blowing, but this is lit. This is so fun. Yo, I wish my ass was in Miami right now. Oh, Mom, don't go over there. No. I'ma just go inside really fast. If I could get some gloves, then we are lit. I told you I was not playing how bad it was today. That's why I didn't go to work. If they complain and try to fire me, then you can see what type of job that is. They don't care about your health. They don't care if that you get hurt. You have a job and shit right now, you'd be like, I don't think I'm gonna make it into work today. Yeah, it's a snowstorm. It's not snowing outside. What are you talking about? The trains aren't even working. What? You need me? Hell no, I'm not going there. Alright, so it kind of been like about an hour. Sun went down a little bit. Oh, we kind of cleared some of it out a little bit more than before. I'm lying, this shit looks still horrible. Cleared the driveway a little bit. This big pile right here, I'm about to do it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's do it. Ah! Yo, this one's bigger. One time for the one time, two claps. Oh! This is, I have a little bit too much fun that I'm not supposed to have in winter.
Yo, my nigga having fun out here, bro. Happy New Year, my nigga.
Likewise, bro. Tell them how it is living out here in the blizzard, bro.
That look fun to me. Alright, who house you going to? What's up? Where we going?
You about to get paid?
That's how much, man. $30. Where we going?
Yo, it is brick out here, and I'm with my guy. He's shoveling his stuff, putting his soul, you know, doing the
fault, man.
What's up with your bags on your feet, bro?
Oh, my red.
What are those? So me and my man's just putting work out here. It's not easy living in New York with snow like this. Not easy.
Though. It's fun. People who don't have this, they miss out. They probably inside, probably watching some movies and they ain't got nothing better to do. They're bored and yeah, you gotta be out here in New York City and have some fun.
Well, this dude about to go inside. I'm about to go inside, get warm. You already know. I'm about to get some nice hot food. So my dad had turned on his car to warm it up for a little bit. So I thought in my head, why not warm up my car for a little bit? I tried turning it on and it wasn't turning on. And as if you could guess, it's because of the cold. So as I kept on trying to turn it on, the dashboard was kind of fading out. And I was like, oh shit, the battery's dying. So let's try to charge it up. I go and pop the hood and this is what I see. I just had the worst luck, man. My poor Techie is not turning on. Everybody knows that water is definitely not supposed to be in the engine. So if ice is falling somehow into my engine, I have to stop it ASAP. But I'm gonna try my best right now. This is horrible. This is supposed to be a fun vlog today. I was supposed to show how it is with this snowstorm. The first big snowstorm of 2017, 2018. And this is what happens. This is what happens. It's working, only a little bit though. This is so bad. Okay, so I managed to get a lot of the snow out with the blower, and this is how it's looking now. And y'all probably are saying, yo, you have a garage, you're in your garage, why don't you park the car in the little garage? The thing is that it's my landlord's garage and he has like kind of a lot of stuff in here, so I can't really just park it in here, and I kind of need his permission first, so I can't really just park it in here like that. So my baby has to suffer out here like this. All right, so the car is on, the car is warming up right now.
Who's man's? Who's man?
So there's how Alright guys, so I am back in the house. Today was a long, productive day, as you've seen. I just wanted to show everybody how it is for the first snowstorm of the year. The last time it snowed, I think it was on SantaCon. And y'all gotta see what happened at that time. That joint was lit. But anyways, I'm about to take my clothes off. I'm about to take a nice shower. And then I'm about to just eat and then call it a day. Damn, my room is a little messy. Let me just show away from that. Yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show your friends, show your ancestors, show your granny, show George Washington. Y'all already know guys. I'ma holla at you at the next one. Peace.
I see you back in town. I see you better now. I'm hoping you better now. She's doing better now. She's back where